Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 21st, 2021. Terra Luna is skyrocketing. I mean, this is going to be my new Luna token price prediction. I want to make sure that you and I are in position so that we can win on wherever the price goes. I don't care where the price goes in Terra Luna. As long as we get the prediction or the direction correct, guess what? We can win in the market. So no longer are you needing to be a buy side trader or investor, because if you know how to play the downside, you can also be a sell side trader or investor. So if you guys want to learn more, make sure you keep it locked in here, right here on this channel. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You want to make sure that you are updated whenever we see a change in price direction, because either you want to get out the way or you want to get on the ship before the rocket takes off. So make sure you type in here on this channel. So now let me first talk about Terra Luna and our last price prediction, right? The last video we did in Terra Luna was right here on October the 1st, right? Beginning of the month. So here we are 21 days into the month of October, and we played the strength into the market in Terra Luna. Now, off the rip, I mean, the market in Terra Luna didn't take long for us to hit our ultimate TP price. Literally 2 days into us, or after us doing our prediction, Terra Luna came and took out our ultimate TP price. Easy, simple, right? 17.5%, 17.46% was bagged in 2 days. Just that simple. This is how easy it is to make this money in the market for cryptos. Everyone else tries to make it hard, make it daunting, make you think that you had to be so massively analytical in understanding with the technical indicators, or trying to use some type of astrological numbers and patterns and shapes and spaghetti lines and colors. And it doesn't take all of that. In 2 days, 17.46%. Cool, right? Now, that is done. That is over. So let's take a look at what the market has done in Terra Luna since that day, since October the 1st, right? So, I mean, what do you all think? We've seen the market in Terra Luna do this, right? We saw the market go up, come down. Now we're finally seeing some uplift in Terra Luna's price. Cool. I mean, does that still confirm that the market is going to continue to go up in Terra Luna? I mean, these are questions that needs to be asked whenever we look at price charts. Can we still see the continuation of strength in Terra Luna? Because if so, then we want to continue to play the buy side of the market, right? We don't want to play the sell side yet, especially if the market in Terra Luna is going to continue to go up. Now, take a look at this. This stuff is real simple. Look at this. This is where the market is finding restriction, right? Right here. $43.88, or maybe around 44. This is where the market in Terra Luna is getting hung up at, right? We saw it back in September 2021. The market in Terra Luna got hung up, saw a pretty good move to the downside. We saw a small opportunity for the market to stay above $44, didn't we? Yeah, we did in October, but we came all the way back down to that ascending line, and now we're getting rejected again in Terra Luna. Now, this is the question: can we break $44 to the upside? That's just plain and simple. We need to see the market price in Terra Luna break $44 to the upside, because if so, we're going to continue to see the market make higher highs. We're going to continue to see Terra Luna make all-time highs. That is the question that needs to be answered today. So let's see if we could get the answer from a different time frame. The answers is already here on the charts. Let's not make this confusing. Now, generally, let's look at the move in Terra Luna. Like, what direction have we been moving? Are we been moving up? Have we been moving down? Like, let's figure that out, and we can already tell what is the general feel of the market in Terra Luna. Like, let's keep it real. We're in an upward trend in the market in Terra Luna. Cool. We're going to continue to follow that same pattern. Like, we're going to continue to expect the price in Terra Luna to follow the trend. Now, maybe we need to change our ascending line somewhat. Maybe we need to do it there, right? Because the market is not following definitively this upward trend, but we know we're going up in price, because the majority of the trading days we've seen the price trade above that ascending line. So I'm just going to adjust it just a little bit. Okay, just going to adjust it just a little bit so that we can ensure that majority of the trading days it is still trading in line with where we've gone, and it's been going up. Okay, now let's look at the chart on a 3-day time frame, because we want to see, is Terra Luna going to break $44 to the upside, right? This is the 3-day time frame. And so far, we're noticing that there's still some members in the market in Terra Luna that is selling. Okay, this is the 3-day time frame, and by us seeing the price in Terra Luna close slightly off of that high, tells us that people are taking profits, that people are selling. Right now, the next following 3 days, we will need to see the market break $44 to the upside. Now we still got a cushion. Okay, we can still see the price in Terra Luna come all the way down here again to $40, bounce off support, and then we'll see the market break 44 to the upside. So when I do this prediction, as long as Terra Luna's price maintains $40, no lower than that ascending line, I'm going to expect the market to continue to break 44 to the upside. That will be my expectations. Let's see the market in Terra Luna 5-day then, because this is pretty decent here too. Now we got a day and 13 hours left, but the market still looks pretty healthy for us to try to take out $44 to the upside. Right? It's just that simple. Now, $44 is the first spot for us to see the market induce with more sellers, for us to see the price try to come down. The second area is going to be up here. Okay, to where the market in Terra Luna closed right there on $46.50, and we open at $46.50. That will be the next area. Okay, so I'm going to move that line up there to that particular point because I want to be forward predicting. I want to be seeing, okay, cool. We know that 44 is already a problem. Where would be the next problem for us to see the market get hung up and trying to go up in price? And it's going to be around $46.50. So I'm going to keep that there. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you what the price prediction will look like in Terra Luna now, because I'm still expecting the market to give us some strength in Terra Luna. Okay. And we said that $40, namely, needs to be maintained as support. Now I'm going to bring it all the way down here to 38, which brings us closer to our ascending line. So wherever the market in Terra Luna wants to fall, right? As long as we trade above this ascending line, we're good to allow the market to continue to go up. Okay. Now, ultimately, we know that 44 is restriction. So we need to be prepared to take off the market a little snack around 4.85%. Like, we need to get profits out the market. Whenever we come in and play, our main objective is to make sure we grab the bag, at least some profits, if anything. That's the first spot for us to eat, $44. Okay. Next area is going to be around $46.50. So that's just about 10% market move. Now, granted, we don't want to be too greedy. I'm just keeping it real. We do not want to be too greedy into the market in Terra Luna, especially when we are trading at spots of all-time highs, right? We want to be prepared that we jump off the ship before the ship sinks. So that's it, right there around $46.50. Now I'm done. I'm still expecting a market strength in Terra Luna to occur over the next couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I'm looking for the market to try to hit that $46.50 price. Now the question is, what are you seeing in Terra Luna? I mean, are you looking for the market to go up or down? Hit me up. Leave me a price prediction right now with a comment in Terra Luna as to where you think the market is headed. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.